So hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So in last video we have discussed how to hack any kind of mobile phone through a link, right? So many of us still didn't watch that video. So don't worry, I will provide link in the description box, just check it. So in this video we will see how to access any kind of mobile phone. Yeah, you listen the right thing guys, it will be very interesting. Watch this video till the end. So yeah guys, you can access any kind of mobile phone. Access, I mean you can see the contact list or you can listen the calls, and not only calls, you can record the calls also. So not only the contact list or call recording guys, you can access the microphone and the live cam also. So it seems interesting, right? So I will say the process also, so just wait for it. So before that, this process or this video is only for education purpose. Just I want to show how this works, that's it. So let's start the process guys. The first thing, we need the phone of the victim person, and after that I will say in my mobile screen, so just switch it. The whole process you have to do in the victim phone, right? So just open the browser and type here free mobile tracker. So you can see this kind of interface. So just click on the second link and just okay. Yeah, so just click on the install application free. Just follow the steps guys, so you can access the victim person's mobile phone and download mobile tracker, and just click here register as you see, and here it asks the email and the password. So let's check the temp mail. So copy this temp mail guys, and after that just paste here, and you can give any kind of password here, and click on the create my account. So after that you can see this kind of interface. Just click on download application. So after that just check this and enter the captcha 16706 and click here download mobile tracker free and okay. So just wait for it, it can take some time, and open and click on install. So after that just open the folder, and here you can see it asks the permissions, right? So in this you should give all the permissions which it asks. So after giving all the permissions, just click on download mobile tracker free. It takes some time, so just wait for it. So after that just click on install mobile tracker. This mobile tracker will install as the name of the Wi-Fi in the victim phone. So just install. Just follow the steps guys and click on open, and here it asks the permission. You can give my child, and here it asks to login, so just login it. So after that you can see this kind of interface. Give all the permission it asks. So you can see here uninstall app, download MTF, right? So if you on this, after installing this Wi-Fi, I mean the mobile tracker application, it will uninstall automatically. So let's on this and click on next. At final step, again you have to log in the credentials. So just log in it. So after that you can see this kind of interface. Just save, and it gives success. Here you can see *1234*, right? This number will use when you want to uninstall this application, I mean this mobile tracker application in the victim person. Then you should go to the dial pad and just call this number. Then this application will show you, and you can easily uninstall the application. So just click on OK. The whole process is completed. Now you want to access that phone. How it access? I mean, how to access that phone? Don't worry, just type here mobile tracker and you can see here login, right? So click on the login. Here give the mail and the password. After that just sign in. So after that you can see this kind of interface. You can see here battery percentage, online status and location and SMS, MMS, calls, locations. This all thing you can capture, guys. And also you can see how many screenshots the victim person have took after your login. So you can see all the access and you can see the live viewing and the remote control. Remote control, I mean, if you want to take the screenshot or if you want to do screen recording of the victim person, anything you can control, guys. So not only this thing, you can see the file manager of the victim person. Not only this one, guys, there are many options you can see here, right? So this is the process, guys. I hope you understood. So that's the process. If you face any kind of problem, so don't worry, just comment below. I will rectify your problems. That's it. So again I want to say this video or the process is only for education purpose. So don't misuse, guys. So finally this is the video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share to your friends also. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And finally, see you in the next video.